Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 9th of November. 3 weeks ago, I went short gold, and you can see here on the daily gold chart, we had a downside target just below the previous lows at 1,610, which nearly got hit. We went to 1,617 and 16 twice actually, but then we reversed to the upside. But by that time, we had lowered our stop loss level to our entry level, so we didn't lose anything on this short trade. And over the last couple of weeks, basically, Josh, my colleague, went short on the DAX 40, because if you look at the weekly chart, you can see that the DAX has been declining over the last year or so. And he got stopped out on this trade just now as we rallied above the last reaction high seen back at 13,570 on the 13th of September. So we can see that we've had a very consistent upward trend over the last few weeks since October, evolving here on the DAX 40. And this brings me to this week's trade. And yes, the FTSE 100 is quite interesting because we did have a series of lower lows and lower highs, but over the last few weeks, we've actually seen a series of higher highs and higher lows, so the definition of an uptrend. And I believe now that we have risen above the midpoint of this bullish reversal pattern, this double bottom here at 7,104, which was made at the beginning of October, that this uptrend is likely to continue at least short term into the year end. So therefore, for today's Trading the Trend, I would like to go long the FTSE 100 at 7,288 at current levels, with an upside target of at least 7,500 and a stop loss just below the last reaction low, which was made at the beginning of November, let's say at 7,065. Because as long as we stay above that low here, we have a series of higher highs and higher lows, and therefore the definition of an uptrend. And I expect the FTSE 100 to have another attempt of heading higher still over the next few weeks.